Hello, I'm Lesley Logan and I have standing arm squats here for you today. So these are really fun and also super easy to cheat on, but they're great if you're really trying to practice how to stand up and sit down from your mat work, you're trying to work on your footwork and your reformer. They're really revealing. So you want to have your feet about a hip distance apart and parallel, arms up, and you can do this with a rollback bar as well. You just don't want to lean back. So you want to squat down, keep those elbows lifting up, stand on your feet and stand right back up. And again, squat down and lift up. And so just make sure you're not doing a bicep curl or leaning. And as you come up, it's easy to kind of relax into the spring, but try to keep your center working even when you lose the spring tension. And then you can add on a little bit more. You actually round forward, reach the handles to your legs, bring the arms forward, roll it up. And again, right, you'd round forward. It's kind of like you're doing push down on the winded chair. And then you pull your arms to you. You reach back and you roll it up. And you can add the two together. Squat down, come up, reach forward, pull your arms to you. Reach them back, roll it up. Squat down. How can you keep everything working as you flip the handles? Because that's going to be where you want to take a break. And you do like 3 to 5 and notice which leg takes more weight, which arm works harder than the other. It's pretty revealing. And then go do your rolling in and out, your footwork, knee stretches, and see how it feels to take what you learned in this exercise to other exercises in your Pilates practice. I'm Lesley Logan. For more of these, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also know that we do have Cadillac workouts on onlinepilatesclasses.com.